Garden centers overflow with chemical solutions promising a pest-free paradise, but these quick fixes come at a cost to our environment. Nature, however, has its own arsenal, subtle, targeted defenses developed over millennia. Plants like hot peppers and garlic don't just taste strong. Their compounds repel or disrupt pests while leaving the ecosystem intact. When we use these natural compounds, we're not inventing something new. We're borrowing nature's wisdom. Chemical pesticides are blunt instruments, killing pests and beneficial insects alike, disrupting the balance of our gardens. Natural insecticides, by contrast, repel or disrupt pests without poisoning everything else. This approach respects the web of life, aiming for balance, not sterility. We shift from fighting nature to working with it, seeing our gardens as communities, not battlefields. The goal isn't to annihilate every insect, but to foster a healthy balance where plants thrive. The most effective solutions have always been here, in the soil, the leaves, and the pungent cloves of garlic. We just need to listen to what plants have been telling us for centuries. By using their inherent strength, we create gardens that are both beautiful and alive. Nature's arsenal is subtle, but it's powerful, if we choose to use it. Peer under a leaf and you'll likely spot aphids, tiny, sap-sucking pests that can devastate plants. They drain energy, causing leaves to curl and yellow, and excrete honeydew that breeds sooty mold, blocking sunlight. Aphids multiply rapidly. A small problem can become an infestation in days. Their sheer numbers often drive gardeners to chemical sprays for a quick fix. But aphids are just one of many pests. Spider mites, whiteflies, and cabbage worms each bring their own challenges. Understanding how these pests live and reproduce is key to managing them. Instead of waging chemical war, we can disrupt their life cycles and make our gardens less inviting to them. Observation is our first tool, watching, learning, and responding with smarter, not harsher solutions. By targeting pests naturally, we protect our plants without harming the beneficial insects that help keep the ecosystem in balance. The goal is resilience, not eradication. With the right approach, even the tiniest tyrants can be kept in check. Nature offers answers, if we're willing to look closely. The best natural insecticide starts with simple ingredients: garlic, hot peppers, and pure liquid soap. Garlic's sulfur compounds repel insects and protect against disease. Hot peppers contain capsaicin, a natural irritant that drives pests away. Pure liquid soap acts as a surfactant, helping the mixture stick to leaves and breaking down soft-bodied pests' defenses. Water binds these elements together, delivering them as a fine mist. Each ingredient plays a role. Garlic repels, pepper irritates. Soap ensures coverage and adds a direct punch. This isn't a lab formula, it's a time-tested blend of plant-based power. Together they form a potent, targeted defense for your garden. No need for synthetic chemicals. Nature's recipe is already in your kitchen. With these ingredients, you can protect your plants and preserve the balance of your garden. Simple, effective, and safe for the world around you. Making your own natural insecticide is easy and rewarding. Chop 1 bulb of garlic and 5 to 6 hot peppers, then blend with 2 cups of water to create a pungent concentrate. Pour the mixture into a jar, add 2 more cups of water, and let it steep for 24 hours. Strain out solids to prevent clogging your spray bottle. Stir in a tablespoon of pure liquid Castile soap. Don't use detergents or scented soaps. Pour the finished solution into a spray bottle and dilute. 1 part concentrate to 10 parts water. Test on a single leaf first. Wait 24 hours to check for sensitivity. Spray in the early morning or evening, coating all surfaces, especially leaf undersides. Reapply every few days after pest sightings, or weekly as prevention. This ritual connects you to your garden and empowers you to protect it naturally. No special equipment, no toxic residues, just a simple, effective shield. With each batch, you're working with nature, not against it. Your garden's health is in your hands. Let this be your new gardening habit. Choosing homemade, organic insecticides is a conscious step toward harmony with nature. Synthetic pesticides kill indiscriminately, wiping out both pests and beneficial insects and disrupting natural cycles. This leads to dependency on chemicals and harms the broader environment through runoff and pollution. Organic sprays like garlic and pepper break down harmlessly, protecting your plants and the planet. Healthy soil teems with life, bacteria, fungi, earthworms, all working together to nourish your plants. Avoiding harsh chemicals lets this web of life flourish, making your garden more resilient. Strong, living soil means stronger, healthier plants that can resist pests naturally. Working with nature teaches us to observe, understand, and appreciate the balance in our gardens. We become partners, not conquerors, transforming gardening into a relationship, not a battle. The reward is a thriving garden and a deeper connection to the world outside your door. Every choice matters. Choose to nurture, not dominate. Let nature be your guide. Every garden is a promise, to the earth, to the future, and to ourselves. The methods we choose today shape the health of our gardens for years to come. Embracing sustainable practices leaves the soil richer and the ecosystem more resilient. Brew this simple potion, test it on your plants, and watch as pests retreat and beneficial insects thrive. This isn't just about pest control, it's about changing your relationship with your garden. Imagine neighborhoods alive with pollinators, clean water, and safe, chemical-free harvests. This future starts with individual choices, putting away synthetic sprays and picking up nature's ingredients. Your garden is a small piece of the world you can change for the better. Step into your garden as a guardian, not a warrior. Make a promise to your plants, the soil, and the creatures that call your garden home. Sustainable gardening is rooted in respect and observation. The future of your garden and a piece of the planet rests in your hands. Choose to nurture and watch your garden and the world flourish.